Okay, I'm slapping some 2-inch spacers on the old 84 K5 Blazer. Let's see, I got these at Wally Mart for about 85 bucks. They're pretty self-explanatory to put on. The spacers come with these lug nuts, so you take them off of here and use it to secure the spacer to your vehicle, and then use your existing lug nuts to put your tire back on. Yeah, Chevy just made the back axle 3 inches narrower than the front axle. They said it was for better traction, so the tire wouldn't follow in the same tread pattern. But I think it looks kind of goofy. Just follow the manufacturer's torque spec on them. They're a little different for different vehicles, of course. These are not hub-centric. They do make some that are hub-centric, so the nuts are what center it on. Let's see how they look. Okay, there you have it. Got the 2-inch spacers on. I asked which rims you liked better, so I switched to these rims. They're a little more period correct, but the 2-inch spacers really make a difference. If you look down the side of the vehicle, now the tires match. 1.5 inches really does it, but I like the extra 1/2 inch on the back end. But that just looks so much better, and thanks for everyone that gave me the comments on the rims, because I agree with pretty much everyone who told me those look better.